Srimannarayana, 11th sloka of 11th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Divyamalya Ambaradharam Divyagandha Anulepanam Sarva Ascharyamayam Devam Anantam Visvato Mukham Om. Enjoy Sri Krishna Paramatma's universal form, Visvarupam. Visvarupam means you have to imagine this entire universe, including you, in a tiny part of Sri Krishna Paramatma's divine personality. While enjoying that, while imagining that, you can also see divine celestial garlands around the divine neck of Sri Krishna Paramatma. You can see, you can smell the divine perfumes to Sri Krishna Paramatma coming out of the perfume smells coming out of Krishna Paramatma. You can also see, imagine all the wonders and the marvels, boundlessness, and facing Sri Krishna Paramatma all directions. You can see everything in Krishna Paramatma. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Krishna Paramatma strongly asking you to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, come to me, surrender to me alone, do not cry. Mamekam Saranam Vraja Ma Suchaha. Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma following these lines. O Krishna, O Srimannarayana, help me imagine this entire universe is there in a tiny part of your divine body that includes me also. O Krishna, O Srimannarayana, help me enjoy the divine garlands around your neck. Help me enjoy the divine perfumes coming out of you. Help me enjoy all the wonders, marvels, boundlessness in you. O Krishna, help me enjoy your all facing all directions divine form. O Krishna, O Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone, I shall not cry. Srimannarayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava, I shall obey your orders. Krishna, please help me act according to your heart. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamapeta krutyam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam vudirayet. ಶ್ರೀಮದ್ಭಾಗವತಮು ದಶಮಸ್ಕಂಧಮು 10th ಸ್ಕಂಧಂ 163rd day. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Savanaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukayogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshit Narendra, saying that, O Parikshit Narendra, Sri Krishna Paramatma saying to Nalakubara Manigriva like this, O Yakshas, Tat Gachatam, now you both can go back to your abode. Mat Paramau Nalakubara Sadhanam Sanjato Mayi Bhavo Vamipsitaha Paramo Bhava. You both get back to your places. And as you asked, you both will have love and devotion upon me, and you will never get destroyed. Like that, after Sri Krishna Paramatma said, Nalakubara Manigriva, they did parikramya pranamya cha punah punaha. They did pradakshinam to Sri Krishna, did namaskaram, took his order, and then they traveled towards north side. So when those big, huge trees fell down, such a huge sound came. So listening to that sound, all the Nanda and other Gopalas immediately rushed to that place. And they have seen that ee pada pamulukulaga ఈ పాపడువులు ఖమున ఇట్లు బద్ధుండై ఏ పగిది బ్రతికే. They saw those two trees fell down, but right next to them Krishna is there, such a small boy who is tied to that wooden pedestal. He is alive. The trees fell down. Nanda and other Gopalas were getting shocked to see that how did this boy survived from this accident. He is not even crying. He is not even getting scared. Ettivado itadun. What kind of boy this boy is? We are unable to understand. Like that, Nanda and other Gopalas getting surprised and shocked to see that. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishno Rakshatuno Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarashatravo Vinihataha Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 11th chapter, 11th sloka. Divyamalyambaradharam Divyagandhanulepanam Sarvascharyamayam Devam Anantam Visvato Mukham. Divyamalyambaradharam Divyagandhanulepanam Sarvascharyamayam Devam Anantam Visvato Mukham. Srimannarayana Karishye Vachanam Tava. Sarvam Shri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.